What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan for those of you that are new, and for my returning Kim folks, what's up? Now you guys, in today's video we are stepping out of our comfort zone a little bit and playing with the shade purple. So if you like how I put this look together, make sure you guys keep on watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, also hit that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl. After moisturizing my face, I like to go in with my Power Grip primer to prime my face for my foundation. And the foundation that we're going to be using today is going to be the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation in the shade 322 Warm Honey. I like to go ahead and just put that on my cheeks, and then from there blend it out with a smooth blending brush. Now you guys, I feel like I could have went a little darker on the color of my foundation, but that's okay. We are going to do what we gotta do, okay? We're gonna make it work. Now for concealer, we are going in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Golden. I like to conceal underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow, and my forehead, and I like to do underneath my cheekbones, just so that it kind of gives like that little lift effect, you know. And once I am done applying my concealer in all of the places that I would like to add concealer and I highlight and brighten, I like to go in and spray down my face with my Revolution Beauty Extra Hold setting spray. And I like to just go ahead and spray that down, let it dry down a little bit, and then I like to go in and blend. And as I'm blending, I am using tap-in motions. I am tapping very lightly and blending and dragging and just really making sure everything is looking seamless and how I like for it to look. So blending takes time. I would definitely say take your time when it comes to blending out your makeup. So you guys, I seen a TikTok the other day, and I think it was by Kyra, and she said doing your makeup to a show versus doing your makeup to music. And I have to agree with her. Doing your makeup to a show is so much better. Like, I feel like it takes me about the same amount of time, but I know I can get done with my makeup in a 30-minute show. You know, I know that, you know, I like the shows, okay? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys like to sit and do your makeup to, or just do anything to. Do you prefer to do it to music, or, you know, to a show, a Netflix show or something like that? But anyways, you guys, we are getting ready to go in with the OS, the One Size Pink Powder by Patrick Starr. This powder has been like my girl since I got it. I do feel like it's about time for me to try other shades other than this ultra pink. There is that brown shade that I'm hoping to try. So yeah, I feel like we're gonna pick that up this year. One thing on my resolution, or not resolution, but one thing on my goals list is to actually like get more makeup and do more hauls. I want to just sit and do my makeup more, obviously for me, but too, you know, like I want to know what's hot. I feel like this past year I really like used the product that I had at home. Like I really kept myself from buying product and buying things that I was only going to use once or twice, or that I was going to have to take back. Like I just didn't give anything a chance, you know. I kind of like found a product and loved it and kind of ran with it until it was over. But anyways, you guys, we are getting ready to go in with the NYX Cosmetics Buttermelt Bronzer in the shade Butter Off. Now you guys, I will leave all of the products in the description box, but I also will leave my LTK link so that you guys can click on that and go directly to where the products are and order them and see exactly where they are. Like, I'm gonna put it all in one place for you guys, so make sure you guys are checking the description box so that you guys could click on that link. Okay, and also if you guys are still watching this makeup tutorial right now, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl. Okay, we are on our road to 2K subscribers, so yeah, make sure you guys are supporting me. I would appreciate that. And it also lets YouTube know that you guys are feeling my content, so yeah. But anyways, you guys, since I am sitting here doing my makeup to a show, what movies or shows are you guys watching these days? Right now on HBO, I'm watching The Dunes, The Prophecy. I've been watching that. And as far as other shows, I like reality shows. So of course, I've been watching my Real Housewives of Potomac. And I can't wait until like Atlanta and all them come back out. Okay, that's me. I'm getting ready to go in with the Revolution setting spray again, and I'm just going to spray down my face because I just want everything to set and lock in just where it is. Now I'm gonna go back in with some Can't Stop Won't Stop NYX concealer. Now this shade is a little lighter than the shade that I was using before, and it's because I like for my base to be like very, I don't know, like since I'm using purple in a nude color, like I want it to be able to really show. For the eyeshadow, we are going to go in with the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. And the first shade that we are going to go in with is that dark purple. And we are going to go ahead and pop that into our crease line. Now I'm using a brush that has very skinny bristles on it. And I am literally just putting it right there in my outer corner and then just working whatever product is left over on the brush into the rest of my crease line. So yeah, I gave you guys an angle so that you guys can see exactly what I am talking about. I am just dabbing the product right into the outer corner and then dragging it into the rest of the crease of my eyelid. I went in with the shade that is like the lightest on the top row up in the corner. I went in with that shade and I just wanted to buff out those edges on that purple, and I just wanted it to blend in with my concealer that's underneath my brow bone. Just wanted everything to look seamless and just blend and look perfect, and that shade right there did it for me. Now I went in with a shade that was a little bit darker. It's on the same row, but it's just a little bit darker than the shade that I use to just buff out that purple, and I'm going to just place that on my eyelid. I like it because it's just a nude color. I felt like it would just transition good with any shade that I used, and I was right. It transitions really good with this purple. And you guys, look at this look. You know, we didn't have to do too much at all. And as you guys can see, I am just taking that shade and just patting it in. And then I'm taking whatever product is left over from my angled brush that I used for that purple shade, and I am just buffing out the two colors together and just really making sure that everything is blending together and looking seamless. Also took that shade and just popped it under the bottom eyelid just because I like for my looks to come together, and nothing says come together like a peaceful harmony family like a bottom and top eyeshadow, okay? So you guys, make sure you guys are, you know, sealing the deal, bringing the entire eye together with shadow on the top and the bottom, okay? shadow and mascara. But anyways, I like to go ahead and do a winged eyeliner, and I'm using the e.l.f. Jet Black liquid eyeliner. I'm still getting used to doing my eyeliner on camera, so you guys gotta excuse me. Now for mascara, I have been using the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick mascara. You guys, this mascara is everything. I like it because it is thick, but it's not like a clumpy thick, and it just gives your eyelashes the volume that you never thought it needed. The spoolie is small. I feel like it's going to be good for every eye type. Y'all, this right here I picked up at Target, the Ulta Beauty section at Target, and yeah, I got it around I want to say like Black Friday, yeah, around Christmas time, or no, around Thanksgiving, and yeah, never looked back. This right here is thebomb.com, and I'm so sorry, but I do not know where these lashes came from. I think I got these from the hair store, but I didn't do anything too big. This year, I want to experiment with doing more fluffier eyelashes, a little bit more trendier eyelashes, just to see kind of like how they look and how they enhance my eyeshadow look. So you guys be on the lookout for that. But to add some blush and brighten to this face, we are going to go in with the Laura Gellar, the best of the best baked full face basics palette, and we are going to be using the highlighter and also that little pinkish shade for the blush. You know, I don't want to do too much, but you know, sprinkle, that's all you need. And I do like how everything just kind of like blends together very well, and just kind of, you know, it doesn't add too much, like it's enough. And now I'm just gonna go in with some regular brown eyeliner, or not eyeliner, lip liner. And this one I am using Maybelline lip liner gel in the shade brown. Well, it's a brown lip liner, but the shade is called Smooth Walnut. I think I got this from a CVS. So a lot of my products that I use on this channel, I like to try to keep like, you know, budget friendly. But I do have some products that I like to, you know, splurge on. But anyways, I like to go in with this MAC lipstick in the shade Honey Love. This matte lipstick right here is thebomb.com. You can't go wrong using a MAC lipstick at all. Like, it's always going to just do its thing, seal the deal with every look. But I love that this lipstick was matte, but I did go in with my MAC lip gloss as a topper just to add just a little shine to this lip. And yeah, you guys, this is the look. I really thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me and putting this look together with me. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Also, like I said, let me know what shows you guys are watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.